Hi children, today we are going to do something very interesting. We are going to do addition. Addition with zero, properties of zero. Now, mommy gives you 2 chocolates and daddy gives you 0 chocolates. 2 plus 0, what do you get? 2. So we're going to look at addition and we're going to look at some numbers and the properties of 0. Any number plus 0 gives you the number itself. Any number. There's a bird on the tree plus no bird on the next tree. 1 plus 0, 1. Yes? So we're going to look more into the properties of 0. Let's look at the picture. Let's look at the number. Any number plus 0 gives you the number. Okay? Look carefully. Attend. Good. Let's go to the exercise. Look what we have here, children. We have number 1. We have all numbers here. Plus 0 gives you what? That's what we are going to do. One by one, we'll do together. Yes, it's very interesting, very enjoyable. 1 plus 0 is equal to, what will you get? 1, read with me. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 itself. Because there's no number here. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Let's take the next sum. Did you get it? Read with me. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 itself. Yes, the number itself. Very good. Read it again. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, the number itself. Good. Did you enjoy? Look at the third one. Observe. 3 plus 0 is equal to the same number 3. Read it again. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Good. Let's take the next one. Number 4 plus 0 is equal to 4 itself. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4 itself. Finally, let's look at the last exercise. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Read it again. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. What do we see here? Any number, 1, 2, 3, 4, any number plus 0 will give you the same number. Any number plus 0 will give you the same number. Did you understand that concept? Good. Shall we take another exercise and do some more to understand the concept of 0 in addition? Good. Let's look at the next exercise. Good. Look at this. Look at this. Look carefully, observe, read with me. Now here we have 0 first. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 itself. Look once again. 0 plus 1 is equal to number itself, 1. Let's take the second one. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2 itself. Read it again. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2 itself. Very good. Let's go to the next number. Here we have 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, the same number. Read with me. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3 itself. Good. Let's take the next one. 0 plus 4 is equal to what number? 4 itself. Read it again. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 itself. Good. Let's look at the last one. 0 plus 5 is equal to the number 5 itself. Read again. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5 again. What did we see here? 0 plus any number gives you the same. We are learning to understand the concept of 0 in addition. A 0 plus any number is equal to the number itself. Yes? Good. Shall we take another exercise and understand the concept of 0 in that? Good. Here we are. Let's go to the next exercise. Look what we have here. Read with me. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6 itself. 6 plus 0 is equal to the same number 6. Good. Let's take the next one. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7 itself. Again, 7 plus 0 is equal to 7 itself. Good. Look at the next number. Number 8 plus 0 is equal to 8 itself. Take it again. Look carefully. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Next, let's take the next number. Number 9 plus 0 is equal to 9 itself. Good. Read it again. 9 plus 0 is equal to number 9 itself. Let's take the last sum. Number 10 plus 0 is equal to 10 itself. Again, 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. What did we learn here? The concept of 0. Any number plus 0 will give the number itself. Any number plus the 0 is equal to the same number. Good. Shall we go to another exercise? Look. Let's look at this exercise. Here we are doing 0. 0 plus number is equal to the number itself. Again, the concept of 0. Look carefully. Read with me. 0 plus 6 is equal to the number 6 itself. 0 plus 6 is equal to number 6 itself. Good. Let's take the second one. 0 plus 7 is equal to the number 7 itself. 0 plus 7 is equal to the number 7 itself. Good. Shall we go to the next exercise here? 0 plus 8 is equal to the number 8 itself. Read it again. 0 plus 8 is equal to the number 8 itself. Good. Let's look at the next one. 0 plus 9 is equal to the number 9 itself. Again, 0 plus 9 is equal to the number 9 itself. Look, finally, 0 plus 10 is equal to the number 10 itself. Read with me. 0 plus 10 is equal to the number 10 itself. What did we learn here? We learned any 0 plus any number is equal to the same number. 0 plus any number is equal to the same number. Good. Did you learn?